I would take it off you and fill you with dread as I pick up my 10 times loop and my digital caliper measuring gauge. I'm going to measure what you've made by hand to hundredths of a mil and then look at you disappointedly if it's more than like 0.1 of a mil difference. Okay, so look at my angles. Yeah, solder's nice because I used the rubber wheel. It's all cut back nice and sharp. A little bit of a lump on the top there, but it's okay, I guess. Inside solder all the way around inside the claws, important. Nice and round, no nicks, no accidental little bang marks or plier marks on the claws. Claws are nice and straight, so having a general look around it. What else? Looking down on it. Are the claws all sort of pointing straight at me at all perfect symmetrical angles? The metal block test, I put it there. Are both claws touching at the same time, and is it standing up straight, not rattling about, not doing that on all four sides? Look at that. Solid. 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 What's going on there? A little bit of a wobble. Let's have a look at that. Go away, I'm human. Right, this is it. This is the one. I'm measuring the gaps in between the claws. This will tell you a lot about the accuracy. 11.39 that side. Let's go to the opposite side. 11.41. Ooh, that's all right, mate. 0.02. 200th of a mil. 8.81. 8.75. It's not quite right. Is it on a bit of solder lump there? Come on, Chris. I forgot what the other one was now. 8.75 again, yeah. 8.79. Just got to make sure it's right at the bottom. .76. Okay, so I'm looking at your parallelness of that bezel all the way around. Is it nice and straight? Not like going whoop, like you overfiled it in the middle and then didn't straighten it out. Looking at the gap now, is that nice and straight? And that curve is an important one. Is that the highest point, highest part of the curve directly in the centre? That's really important for this to look nice. Both sides, obviously. Is the curve nice and even? Going down nice and sharp, not all blobs of solder all over it. Yeah, nice and parallel gap here. Should be a nice sort of letterbox hole. Nice and sharp there. Claws, not all filed up wrong, not all banged about. Claws, nice even length, not too long, not too short, so it's good for casting. Nice and even. This is pretty good. I give myself. Consider it this. I mean, this collet went quite well. Because all claws went on first attempt, solder had no issues, didn't struggle to get one soldered, because it happens sometimes. Yeah, they all went on first attempt, all the correct angle, no problem soldering, looks quite neat. I had a little bit of a wobble on that metal block test, but it's really, for a handmade collet, that's really accurate, so I'm quite happy with that.